My name is Dorota Orzeszek. I come from Poland, and my role in SBREC is I work as a volunteer coordinator. I believe that studying and working in the same time will give you more experience and knowledge, because you can put the practice into theory and theory to the practice.
Dorota is actually so eager to succeed and do well. She actually pushes me to give her work rather than the other way around. She will be asking for more and more work to be placed on her, and she's successfully completed her level 4 qualification in 9 months, which is a record.
I'm seeing myself for the next 5 years as a person who is still dealing with people, helping people, concentrating about the needs which is in Swansea. So I believe that for the next few years I will be still somewhere, but with people, lots of people around me.